Hello! I is Jack, and he is Christian.
Hiya.
And he is Luke.
Hey up.
And this is the mill.
It's fucking hell!
Hi Jack.
Ah!
We got to put this on YouTube.
Yeah. Fucking hell, man! Look at this!
Why did my mum take her camera today, of all days?
Let's go across there, because somewhere along there it's the river. We're not quite sure where it is anymore.
Oh, look, there's not even a hole. Where's the mill from? Actually, I have got one there. Let's go across there.
This is the so-called bridge. That's supposed to be a bank there.
Slowly, because you're going to get up to the first metal gate in a minute.
Metal gate?
I think we should actually be on the right-hand side a bit more, but it doesn't matter. Keep going, keep going.
It's not for you, is
Slowly,
it?
slowly. I don't want you to drown for crying out loud.
Yes, you do.
I'm not trying to save you.
Jack, we hit a problem.
Yeah, where are you?
Oh,
you should have come in the middle of the lake and we're surrounded by water. It's really creepy.
Christian, don't spin around like that. You're losing your track.
Try and find some beach plant and come down. It's really fun.
No, Thames, go to my house and get the raft.
Huh? Oh, Luke's got a raft.
We're
We're going to have to try and find like a pump to pump it up first.
Is that arrows by the chance?
Alright, see you later. Right. No, it's tough.
Okay, that's gone in my shoes. Unless we're not on the actual path, because I thought the first concrete was the floor, eh?
Yeah, I think we're...
Oh.
No.
What?
It gets deeper to the right, we are on the path. Yep. Wait, here we are!
Fucking go! This is supposed to be a road! Jack's boots filled up with water. Oh my god! It's like an inch away from my trousers! Oh, I'm standing on my tiptoes! Oh, okay, I'm not doing that again. Let's try and get to the hill! Oh, the arm! It's freezing!
If I move, my feet are going to get wet!
Christian, keep going! This is evened out! This is evened out! Jack is evened out! Jack, just keep going, man! Oh, fuck! Let go! Oh my fucking god! Oh, it's got right in the fucking... It's the edge of the water. So we've got to get back before dark, otherwise we're not going to know where the hell the path is. Yeah, it's the beginning of the end, like Christian says. My feet are soaking wet. My trousers have gone damp. To go back, we actually have to have our boots underwater. I'm doing this diary now, in case I die. You never know what might happen. See you at the other end.
Alright, this is the third chapter of our little escapade. Luke's making a video diary, I'm making a video diary, that cunt isn't. Basically, we've got to walk through this, which is the path that we got here. It's quite thin at the moment, and as you can see, most people are quite wet. But that idiot back there is basically doing nothing. Now, this is the kind of current that's coming through everywhere. Now, we've got to try and get through there. And last time it almost reached my anatomy. We're now going to turn off the video in case of droppage. Bye.
We are the last 3 survivors.
Yes. Look at that.